Leveraging an employee self-service solution has clear cost-saving benefits, such as efficient paperless processes and timely, accurate data. These solutions also increase employee engagement, which is vital to the success of your company. That's where eHub from Team Software comes in. eHub is a mobile, self-service solution that provides field-based employees and supervisors with tools to manage jobs, employees, and personal information. eHub is an add-on to WinTeam, Team's core financial, operations, and workforce management software, with the two solutions completely integrated. This integration allows you to streamline processes so your staff, both in offices and out in the field, have access to the information they need to do their jobs, anytime, anywhere. eHub allows employees and supervisors to quickly and easily identify actionable information that's important to their jobs, view messages, upcoming events, documents, and important links, access information related to individual jobs, including contact and location information, scheduling, quality assurance, timekeeping, requests, and action items. Supervisors can leverage convenient timekeeping tools to track hours by job and add, deny, or approve timekeeping records. Plus, with the mobile app, supervisors can view real-time attendance information, and employees can clock in and out quickly and easily. Supervisors can fill open shifts with employees who meet shift requirements by using the scheduling tools, create and approve requests for extra coverage, or offer open shifts to eligible employees, who can then pass on or claim the shift. They can also use the quality assurance tools to create inspections and surveys to evaluate job sites and customer satisfaction, as well as assess employee performance and engagement. Employees can access electronic pay stubs, W-2s, 1095-Cs, benefit information, and vacation and sick time balances. Supervisors can create, approve, and track additional work requests. Then employees can view assigned work, ensuring tasks and projects are completed on time. Simplify your processes, empower your workforce, profit from efficiency with eHub, your anytime, anywhere self-service solution.